Street?
Now.
That's it.
Main Street of Manila during the blizzard of 2021. Roads are actually worse in town than they are out of town, which is surprising. They're actually worse in town. But you see people are out and about. There is a layer of ice under this snow. So if you have to be out, you need to go very slowly. Don't get crazy. I told my husband, I said, this is what it's like to live in Michigan all winter long. This is what the people up north live with. I'm glad I live in Arkansas and we get this just once in a great moon like this. It's like white powdery snow. Good to ski on. If we had some skis, we could ski. We're just
pull somebody on a car hood.
Oh, a car hood.
Behind
or a big old trash can lid.
Yep. Anything like that.
But this is the blizzard of 2021, and we've got a lot more snow that's going to fall. There's our local police officers driving and texting. Did you? I saw them. Oh, I'm not driving, I'm riding. So Steve is driving, I'm riding. But that person had his cell phone in his hand. I was watching it. But as you can see, Main Street is almost completely covered. Manila, Arkansas.
Flash ain't working today because there ain't nobody wanting nothing done. So
yeah, so
there's his service station right here on the right.
There's the Manila Museum. This is the old line station. This gas station's been here for as long as I can remember. So it's getting a little deep in here. There's the Methodist Church. Old nursing home. It's definitely a winter wonderland. It's beautiful. Just if you're a smoker, don't forget to roll your windows back up when you go in the house, right, Steve?
Yeah.
Don't leave your windows cracked. You get a truck full of sleet and snow.
Yeah, that sleet got all in my truck. Got all over the dash. And I didn't have